Is it weird that I like drink Ensure? It's like a 90-year-old's drink. Whatever. Pretty damn good. Hey guys, what is up? If you're new here, my name's Roxanne. Welcome to my channel. And if you are not new, thanks so much for coming back. I really appreciate you clicking on the video. So today, we are going to go through a drugstore haul. I guess it's, drugstore priced haul, because I have some CVS, I have some Ulta, I have some ColourPop. We are just going to jump right on in. I've been looking for new items at the drugstore, particularly the new L'Oreal foundation. I did find it, and of course, when you go shopping for anything makeup related, you always find about 900 other things that you don't need. So I went ahead and picked up a bunch of stuff, and I'm going to share them all with you. So let's go ahead and just jump on in, and I will show you guys what I found at the drugstore. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start with Ulta, I think, because that's the bag that's right next to me. I went over there to find my mascara that I use, and of course went out of Ulta not getting my mascara. So then I'm like, you know what, I have to get my mascara, and there was a CVS right next to me, so I went into CVS and found a bunch of stuff there, but that's neither here nor there. So let's go ahead and just show you what I found at Ulta. First and foremost, I did remember, however, my very favorite lashes. Just hit myself in the face. If you guys are interested, I know a lot of you ask what lashes I wear, and these are them. They're the blowout lashes from Kiss. They are so good. They are my absolute favorite. I think they're called Shignal, but they come 4 packs or 4 pairs for like $11.99. They're my absolute favorite lashes. I wear them all the time. I've been wearing them for months now, and they're so good. And then I found the new Can't Stop Won't Stop stuff from NYX. This is the Can't Stop Won't Stop matte primer. I think I have the foundation from what I remember. I have a lot of foundations, you guys. I think I have the foundation, so if I do, I will do a review on the primer and then kind of how it reacts to the foundation. And this is a matte primer, and I love like the little pictures that NYX has on like their little boxes. This just says apply evenly over skin and gently tap to set. Complete the look with our Can't Stop Won't Stop coverage matte, full coverage matte foundation. It just basically says it's a comfortable matte formula that preps your complexion for super smooth foundation application. Yep, it's a squeezy tube. So I'll try this out and I'll let you guys know what I think of it. So something new that I found, I haven't seen any reviews on it, so I really want to try it. This is the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Powder Foundation. Now, I'm not a powder foundation kind of girl, but when I saw this, I was like, oh yes, please let me try this out. So this is in the shade 220 Natural Beige, and it looks a bit yellow, but my daughter was with me and I was like, help me pick a shade. So we both we both chose this one. I think it's gonna work. I mean, it's pretty close. I feel like it's gonna be a good shade. Rubbing it into my hand, it feels nice, you know, and the shade is definitely, there's no differentiation in color, so that's a good sign. But this just says full coverage powder foundation with long lasting matte finish, up to 16-hour wear, lightweight and comfortable, fade and transfer resistant, controls shine. I'm not a huge powder foundation kind of girl, so I probably will use this as like a setting powder, but we'll see. Maybe I'll try what it's intended for and see how I like it. I do like that it comes with a big mirror though. That's kind of cool. And then of course this, crappy sponge that we could just get rid of right now. I don't know, I don't pick up a whole lot of like powder foundations, but whenever I see anything new from the drugstore, I always get it, because you can find amazing things at the drugstore, like those hidden gems, but you have to be able to really find them, and be willing to find them. So I picked up a bunch of new lip products from both CVS and Ulta. A couple of them are older lines but new shades. So I was super excited when I saw new shades of the Superstay Matte Ink, because I love these so much. They're so good. If you guys haven't tried these, they're so good. You have to try them. Here are the shades I got in the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. I picked up the shade 135 Globetrotter. I don't know, this might be an older shade, but it said on the little end cap thingy that it had with these, that they were new shades. This is the shade Globetrotter. So pretty. You guys, these are like right up my alley. As you know, if you've been watching me for a while, I love like the reddish, orangey tones. They're just so, so pretty. And I don't know, I really, really like that. And the next shade I got is 117 Groundbreaker. It's a little bit more on like the reddish side. So that's this one right here. So the first one is Globetrotter and this one's Groundbreaker. See, I'm telling you, I always go for like those fall brown colors. Okay, moving on. So the next one I picked up is from L'Oreal. This is their, I don't even know what this is called. They don't even have like the line. It's their new liquid lip color. It was right next to the Maybelline one, so I just grabbed it. This is in the shade 422. I don't. I don't. This is like a different consistency than the matte inks, but it's still a liquid lipstick. What I like is like you can see if they had been used, so that's cool. Like,
you know when you go to the drugstore and you want to buy something but they've all been tested?
Anyway, this one right here is 412 I Don't in the L'Oreal. And I can't remember what this was called or what the name was, so I will put it down in the description bar or just right here across the screen. See? Oranges. I don't know. Whatever. You like what you like. The next one I found was from NYX. This is the Candy Slick Glowy Lip Color. These are lip glosses. I'm not a huge NYX lip gloss fan, but I wanted to try this because it looked pretty when I swatched it. So this is called S'more Please, and all of them are supposed to be like sweets, you know, the sweet, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Just want to see if it kind of smells like sweets. It's this shade right here. That's this guy. This is from NYX again, and it's the Candy Slick Glowy Lip Color. This is a new line. Okay, last thing I got from Ulta, which I'm kind of bummed about that they didn't have in my shade, but they were all gone. I should have got it the other day when I was there, but I didn't. NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Contour Concealer, the new concealer that they have that goes with the foundation and the primer. But I got it in shade 2 because all of the other ones were gone, and this is going to probably be really light for me, but that's fine. Oh, it's not that bad. This is more of like a pinky undertone, but that's okay. So that's this one right here, and it's in the shade, yeah, like I said, 02 Alabaster. I like that they're naming their shades now. They didn't do that before. That's gonna be a little light, but that's okay. Okay, so that's all the stuff I got from Ulta. Let's move on to CVS. I don't know what is up with CVS lately, but their coupons that come out of like your extra buck things, whatever, I got so many good coupons from CVS. That's why I got so much stuff. I think I saved like $27 or $30 on my whole order, and then I also got $30 back in extra bucks. So I'm gonna wait for like the next new lines to launch and go pick up some more drugstore makeup. I just picked up my mascara. You guys, this is the best mascara ever. I did a video on this comparing it to the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and it is so good. It's the Total Temptation Waterproof Maybelline 604 Very Black. And then I got the Tattoo Studio liner. This is in the shade Striking Navy, and this is just a waterproof liner. And I really have been wanting to try drugstore liners. I'm gonna pull it out and test the creaminess. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like full-on navy, you guys. It's really creamy. That's it right there. I'm excited to try that because if it is truly waterproof, that's going to be really pretty like in the water. Like, I tried a new concealer today, and you can totally like see on camera. I don't know. I can't remember which one it was, but I know it's new. So I found, I don't know if this is new or not, but it's new to me. I haven't seen it before. It's the CoverGirl True Blend Base Business Everyday Defense. It says new on it, but you never know. This is the Skin Primer with SPF 20, and this is in their Age Defense line. So I was kind of getting it for that reason, you guys. I'm not a young chicken anymore, so I have to buy the shit that's gonna help my wrinkles, okay? But this is a very white primer. It smells a little funky. It's this one right here. I don't know, it says shake well. So I'll have to try this and let you guys know. The color looks like the Too Faced Hangover RX, but I don't know, we'll see. Sometimes, I mean, drugstore primers are always hit or miss. I guess all primers are hit or miss. This one, I don't know. We'll see about that one. That's from CoverGirl. Okay, and then I was so excited about this because I want to do a review of this on my channel for you guys. And I think my next video, I think I'm gonna film it tomorrow, is actually going to be on this product. So this is the new L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Foundation. It's the 24-hour, like in their Infallible line. And I got the shade 425, which I can't remember what they had like shade names, but I can't remember what 425 was. I chose 425 because it had more of a golden undertone. So it has a pump, which is awesome. So this is what the shade looks like right here. I think that's gonna work. I think that's gonna be okay. Yes, okay, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be a match. It's right here, you guys. SPF of 25, it's supposed to be breathable. And I don't know, I mean, let's see what the directions say. Let me pull this down. So the finish is natural. You can wear it up to 24 hours. The coverage is medium and the texture is air light. So it says shake well, blend into skin with fingers or applicator for flawless coverage. So I'm excited to try this. Let me know if you guys want to see that video. I have some new stuff from Wet n Wild right here. This is their new like hit the showers line, or like their new like gym line, whatever. So I picked up the new Wet n Wild, oh, it's called Wet n Wild Pump. So these are the hit the showers face and body cleansing wipes. There's 25 in here, and it's just basically to remove all traces of dirt, oil, makeup, or sweat with one wipe. And they're perfect for face and body, which I think is really cool. And this was a new line. I looked it up, it is new, and I found it at CVS for a really, really good deal. And then, super cute, they had a couple of these there. They had one for charcoal or like pore minimizing, I guess like it was a charcoal mask. But this one is the Tone It Up brightening glitter mask. So when I saw this, I was like, yes, please. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Oh my God. There's like actual chunks of glitter. Oh, it's so sticky. Holy crap. Okay, look. So let me know if you guys want to see like a first impression on this, or like, I don't know, just I'll go get the other one and I can try them both in a video. It's super like jello-y. It doesn't really, I mean, it smells like a mask. So this just says, Tone Up Brightening Glitter Mask. Brighten up this glitter infused peel off mask. Oh, it's a peel off mask. It leaves you with radiant, youthful looking skin. Apply to clean face and let dry completely. Oh, 30 minutes. Peel off to remove, starting with the edges. That's really cool. Total glitter in there. Have you guys tried this yet? I'm curious. I might have to look up videos on this because this is really, really cool. Look at how cool. I'm excited to try this bad boy. You guys will have to let me know if you want me to try that on camera and a first impression for you. This is the Do the Spritz Cooling Face and Body Mist. So it's a spritz all over for a quick pick-me-up, cools and hydrates, great for during or after workout.
So let's just smell this. So this has a pump too. Ooh, that's nice.
The mist is very, like, it comes out a lot, but it doesn't overpower you. This is the Do the Spritz spray, and I don't know, like, what can you say about a face spray? So a few years back, Wet n Wild came out with their liquid cat suits, and I love those. That formula is awesome. I think I got every single shade in that line, those lipsticks. So I found their new shades at CVS. I wanted to buy them all, but I didn't. I just picked up two. I got the shades Cedar Later, which is 945B, and Send Nudes, which is 944B. This is the shade Cedar Later. It's just a really like pretty neutral brown. Oh, it's actually more of like a rose. Definitely more of like a rose. This right here is Cedar Later, right here. And then this one is Send Nudes. This one might be a little too nude for me, but we're still gonna give it a shot. Oh, this is a high shine lipstick. So these are liquid lipsticks. That's cool. So this right here is Send Nudes. It's a little bit, I don't know, it might wash me out, but we'll see. Okay, so last thing I got was stuff from ColourPop. I actually made an order online, but I wanted to incorporate it in this video because why not? It's a haul video. Okay, so I got a couple of their no filter products because I have been wanting to try that line for a long time. I got the no filter setting powder in translucent. I know I'm a little late to this game, but I'm still gonna try it. So this is just their setting powder from the no filter brand or no filter line, and I'm excited to see what the hype is about on these products because everyone talks so highly of them. Ooh, the powder's nice, so it just looks like that. It's definitely a translucent powder for sure. It's really nice. I mean, the milled is nice. It's really thin, so. Okay, so I did look at this already and it is gonna be too light, so I'll have to mix it with something, but this is the No Filter Foundation in Fair 25. I did like that shade match thing.
And ColourPop, you did me wrong, man. You did me wrong.
So this is gonna be way too light for me. I mean, just looking at my skin tone, it's gonna be too light, but whatever. So it comes in a pump and that's the shade right there. Like, it's like, you can already tell it's so light. The difference between that and the L'Oreal shade, whoo, look at. I'm a little scared. And then I also picked up the No Filter Foundation Stick, but I think I got this shade right. So this is Light 40N. This is the neutral, I guess. I don't know. Their shade ranges confuse me. This is their stick foundation, and this is much better. I mean, the shade of this is gonna be much better shade. Yeah, see, that's gonna be much better. So it's just right there on my wrist. Oh yeah, I remembered the concealer. So you can kind of see, I mean, it definitely brightens under the eyes, but this is the No Filter Concealer in Light 10. I think I just got it a little bit too light for me. It's a nice concealer, but I mean, it's very yellow, which I don't mind, but I mean, looking at the difference between the foundation stick and the concealer, it's a lot different. This is what I was wearing in my video last night. This is Snowflake in their Ultra Matte Lips, but this one is gorgeous, you guys. Like, this color, oh, that shade. God, it's so pretty. And then, you guys know, I love my reds. So I got their brown sugar. I don't know how to say this YouTuber's name and I feel really bad. Karuchi, I'm not sure, but this was a collaboration and it came with 4 colors and most of them are nudes. Hello. So this one is Brick. It's just a really pretty, like, obviously like a brick shade. So pretty. I mean, that's a gorgeous color. So this is Chocolate. Oh, Chocolatier. And it's gonna be a little bit more of a deep shade. That's gonna be Chocolatier. It is a little more deep, which I don't mind. These are super creamy. So that's Chocolatier. They might be a little too dark for me, but...
I'm not kidding. I wear dark lipsticks on the daily.
Okay, the next one is Butter. So this is more of like that nude shade. It's right up my alley. So pretty. Bullet lipsticks are just... they're so sexy. And then last but not least is the shade Cinnamon. This is like just your like deep brown. And I don't have a shade like this, so I was really excited. Oh yes. I don't have a brown lipstick, you guys, and I've really wanted one. So if you have not seen my video from yesterday about like explaining where I've been and where my channel is going, make sure you check that out. I will put it in the cards right here. But otherwise, you guys, I think that's it. I just kind of wanted to get on here and show you what I picked up from the drugstore so you guys can see what is out there if you wanted to go pick anything up for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I really do appreciate it. I hope you have an amazing new year and I hope you had an amazing 2018. Thank you so much for joining me, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I love you all so much. And remember to make sure that you live, laugh, and love as if it were your last moment that you are experiencing, breathing, whatever. You guys know what I mean. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye!